Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal with Shopify, ensuring your online store is ready for secure transactions. First, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and find the Payments section, which is typically under Settings. Here, you will locate the PayPal option to begin the activation process. It is a simple initial step, paving the way for customer trust. Once in the Payments section, click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. This action will securely redirect you to the PayPal website. Here, you will log in with your PayPal business account credentials to grant Shopify permission. If you do not possess a business account, a clear option to create one will be presented. This crucial step links your payment gateway directly to your store, usually taking less than 2 minutes. Back in your Shopify payment settings, you can now fine-tune your PayPal configuration. Decide how payments are captured. Authorize and Capture immediately processes the payment, while Authorize only allows manual capture later. Consider customizing the PayPal Express checkout page to reflect your brand's colors and logo, which creates a cohesive experience. This attention to detail enhances customer confidence during checkout. The final, vital step is to perform a test transaction through your store. Create a draft order or make a purchase of a low-value item, perhaps just $1, selecting PayPal as the payment method. Follow the entire checkout process to completion, just like a real customer would. Afterward, verify that the order registers correctly in your Shopify admin and that the corresponding transaction appears in your PayPal business account. This ensures everything is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.